The Czinger 21C VMax represents a radical leap in hypercar evolution, where traditional automotive design boundaries are completely replaced by computational engineering, generative design logic, and aerospace-inspired performance ideology. This machine is not simply manufactured in the conventional sense, it is digitally optimized and structurally evolved through advanced algorithms that determine the most efficient distribution of material, strength, and aerodynamic behavior. The result is a hypercar that looks and feels like it has been designed by physics itself rather than human convention. Its silhouette is extremely low, wide, and aggressively sculpted, with every surface serving a precise aerodynamic function rather than aesthetic decoration alone. The central driving position, inspired by fighter jets, places the driver in a commanding forward axis with the passenger position directly behind, reinforcing a racing-focused, performance-first philosophy. The exterior design communicates speed even at rest, with sharp air channels, exposed structural elements, and aerodynamic surfaces that appear to cut through space. The VMax identity intensifies this vision by pushing the car toward extreme velocity optimization, making it a pure expression of speed engineering and technological dominance in the modern hypercar era. At the core of the Czinger 21C VMax lies one of the most advanced manufacturing and engineering systems in the automotive world, combining 3D-printed structural components with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis to achieve unprecedented levels of strength-to-weight efficiency. This integration allows engineers to design parts that are impossible under traditional manufacturing constraints, resulting in organic yet highly functional geometries that maximize performance under extreme stress conditions. Every structural element is optimized for load distribution, aerodynamic flow, and weight reduction, producing a vehicle that behaves almost like a single unified energy system under motion. The hybrid powertrain concept blends high-performance combustion engineering with electric torque assistance, delivering instantaneous response and sustained high-speed capability without traditional performance gaps. The VMax configuration is specifically tuned for top-speed dominance, meaning its aerodynamic profile, thermal management systems, and power delivery curves are all engineered for maximum velocity stability. Active aerodynamic systems continuously adjust in real time, responding to speed, airflow pressure, and cornering forces to maintain optimal downforce and reduce drag. This creates a dynamic performance ecosystem where the car is constantly adapting to its environment, making it feel alive, intelligent, and relentlessly fast in every possible driving scenario. The interior of the Czinger 21C VMax is a pure expression of functional minimalism fused with advanced digital intelligence, designed entirely around the driver's performance awareness and sensory focus. The cockpit is structured in a tandem seating layout that emphasizes central weight distribution and immersive driving control, positioning the driver as the core axis of all vehicle dynamics. Instead of traditional luxury-focused materials and decorative elements, the interior prioritizes exposed structural engineering, lightweight composites, and aerospace-grade finishes that communicate purpose and precision. The digital interface replaces conventional dashboards with real-time telemetry systems, augmented reality overlays, and predictive performance analytics that provide continuous feedback on speed, traction, torque distribution, aerodynamic pressure, and energy flow. Every control element is engineered for immediate tactile response, with adaptive feedback systems that adjust based on driving conditions and intensity levels. Ambient lighting is subtle and performance-driven, shifting tones according to driving mode transitions such as track, endurance, or maximum velocity states. The cabin environment is intentionally immersive and focused, eliminating unnecessary distractions to ensure that the driver maintains a direct connection with the mechanical and computational systems controlling the hypercar's behavior at extreme performance levels. From a conceptual perspective, the Czinger 21C VMax stands as a symbol of the future of automotive performance, where machines are no longer simply designed but computationally engineered into existence for maximum efficiency, speed, and structural intelligence. It represents a world where hypercars are shaped by data, physics, and algorithmic precision rather than traditional styling conventions, making it one of the most advanced expressions of modern automotive philosophy. Its identity is defined by extreme velocity potential, ultra-lightweight construction, and a design language that communicates aggression, intelligence, and technological superiority in a single unified form. In the modern digital era, such a machine becomes more than just a vehicle, it becomes a viral icon, a visual statement that dominates social platforms, cinematic edits, and automotive culture discussions worldwide. If you love futuristic hypercars like this concept, share it with car enthusiasts, comment your favorite feature, and subscribe for more insane next-generation automotive designs that push the limits of imagination and engineering.